gotta see our man.
Who?
Thorpe.
Did we see his stupid ass?
Where's your buddy?
And now this. And now this.
Now this.
That's the radiator too.
I just put antifreeze into it.
Is it that something?
It's bad.
Why?
This is bad.
That's the radiator. Huh?
So I hear water. There, you can put it down. There's water dripping somewhere.
I hear it. No. We don't need that.
You're right. I literally just filled this motherfucker up. Not filled it up, put it up to here.
Yeah.
But there's something going on.
Yeah, we got a leak. We got a leak. Damn. Okay. Where's the antifreeze?
Hmm?
Cause yeah, that's a leak.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What?
I just stopped, so I guess it emptied out.
Yeah. But did you keep the container
For the...
antifreeze?
Yeah, I think it's...
So you sometimes just go fill that up, and we'll just fill it up.
See what happens.
Yeah.
I was gonna bottle of water.
Well, we got a gallon jug right here.
Yeah, that's right.
So I mean, we can fill up the car before we leave.
So you wanna...
Yeah, we can. Car's got tip tags on it. TUP 403. That's the car. It looks like it did the initial stop.
Yeah. Which one? The first one?
TUP 403.
That sure as hell is 2 undercover, 3 undercover.
Yeah, Thorpe. That's Thorpe right there. We switched departments. But now Barnwell, I gotta say that they have given us the story of happening.
Yeah, police station did.
Get that van fixed all the way, man. That's probably a radiator hose, dude.
Yeah, that's what
That's not hard to fix. It's just motherfucker, you know. But why now? Damn it.
Yep.
And we might even have to check the thermostat too, because that was one thing I wasn't noticing on the gauges.
Yeah, it doesn't move at all.
Yeah. So thermostat.
So that's some other shit. I mean, or it just busted and it's not hot yet.
Yeah, we'll find out. We'll find out what's going on. TUP 403 when we FOIA request. But TUP 403 looks like they did the initial traffic stop. That's an unmarked car.
Yep. Had a lot of these things recently.
And that's a Armada? Nissan Armada. LE white. ADA 11117F license plate. So that's ADA 11117F license plate. White. Armada LE Nissan. And that's also everybody out there in South Carolina and Barnwell area. TUP 403 white SUV Chevy Suburban.
This guy.
That's on it.
Get this guy's license plate.
Go ahead, get his plate. Read it out too. TUP 405? TUP 405, another unmarked Dodge Durango.
Two Dodge Durango. I wonder how much money they've got recently.
Quite a bit.
It'd be funny if the old chief of life were working here. Ray Crawford's Barnwell.
Oh, dude, he's disgraced.
Oh, yeah.
Like, dude, he's decertified. Like, he's got to go back to school and everything.
Apparently he's clear.
Looks like they didn't find anything they were looking for on this guy, everybody.
Oh, God.
Oh, hey. Looks like they ransacked the car pretty good, too. Poor guy.
What do you do? This guy's like, nah, not coming here.
You got a nice fucking ride. So we got a video, nothing major. Oh, stupid ass. Yeah,
Number three.
I'm number 3.
Yeah, I'm number 3.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Be a bad time to be giving out counterfeits.
Yeah, right. Like what happened?
I hope it is just a hose.
I'm pretty sure that's what it is.
Hopefully we can just retouch it.
I'm hoping that's what that is. If it's not, it's just a fucking... It happens, dude. Damn, they impounding it? Damn, they impounding the vehicle. Damn. Damn. vehicle. Damn. Oh yeah. Try to get some water. Yeah. Dang.
What number do you think Thorpe is now?
He's nothing now.
Thorpe is nothing now.
Just an officer. Hey, what'd they get you for, Bubba? What'd they stop you for? If you don't mind me asking.
The headlights that we just got the car, it's got blue LED lights.
Yeah.
So you can't have blue LED lights apparently.
Huh.
No, you can't have no blue lights at all whatsoever.
Yeah. So they're impounding the vehicle.
They're impounding the vehicle.
Right.
Because it's at their discretion, even though I can have somebody come get it,
Yeah.
it's still at their discretion.
Really?
I can have somebody come get it or not, so they choosing to impound it because of their discretion. That's what they want to do.
They searched you up real nice.
They
Yeah, we
sure
saw
did,
that.
and
We
they
saw that. They didn't find nothing.
Yeah.
There was a fishing expedition.
They found an open container, which I'm about to go get another one right now.
Hey.
So,
Might as well.
Hey, hey, hey.
make sure to do that.
Yeah. Well,
Just get a ticket.
Tell my wife as well, because she
took your wife to
had a seatbelt ticket.
for a seatbelt ticket?
God,
Wow. They took her to jail for a seatbelt
And they
ticket.
can search your car without, if there's an open container that's visible, they can search it without their consent.
Yeah, I don't know the plain view doctrine.
I did not know that. I thought they had to have your consent.
You still say no.
I did, and they still done it anyway, which there wasn't nothing in there anyway.
Yeah.
But they still searched it with me saying no.
Yeah, well that's still good because that helps you out legally. All right, like, we fight these fuckers. All
So
right.
that's the motherfucker right there. That one walking right there.
Piece of shit.
That's the motherfucker right there. I don't know his name. I don't know who he is.
Yeah. I know who he is.
Yeah, I know him. Who is he?
I know who he is.
What's his name?
I gotta remember his name. I can't remember his fucking name, but he's the one that played the music in our video.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we got him in trouble already.
Greene.
Greene. Sergeant Greene.
Sergeant Greene.
Sergeant Greene.
Sergeant Greene.
Yeah, he's very understanding.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's understanding.
Well, we're gonna Freedom of Information Act this whole little pullover.
Yeah, I
We're gonna-
really appreciate that. I was recording myself, even though I asked them not to search my vehicle, and I don't give their permission.
Yeah.
They still done it anyway. I don't know when that law took effect, but evidently it took effect, and they went through y'all, as y'all see,
Yeah.
the whole fucking thing. They didn't find the fucking thing.
Yeah, oh yeah. Yeah, we've seen that. You got a key?
I don't know where they are.
What's up, Greene?
You didn't till internal revenue is called on this motherfucker and so many reports is made, he's gonna keep getting by with it. Internal affairs, I'm sorry. Internal affairs.
Well, we done removed the whole police force in Blackville.
Yeah, we did that.
Did you?
We were the ones that got rid of Ray Crawford
As you
and
see,
everybody.
you
We
see,
did that.
There was 6 motherfuckers up there,
Yeah.
which is so ridiculously overplayed because you don't need that many. You don't need that many police. He's a good dude.
No,
He's okay.
Thomas
He's a
is
good one.
Thomas is all. He's young. He's young. He's young. He's got some. He's a good dude.
That's your close lip, alright?
What's up, Thomas?
What's up, man?
Doing all right. I said he's young. He's actually tased me before,
Yeah.
but he learned real quick. That's why he left Blackville, because he knew we were getting ready to
You
clean
want
out.
to talk about ridiculously overpaid and over. Oh, I know. Look at the taxpayer dollars.
Yeah, look at the car.
Yeah, they're all brand. I've been saying something. They're all fucking brand.
Did
new
this
top
car
line.
pull you over?
100,000.
It's unmarked.
Unmarked.
They're not allowed to do that.
But he did, But he did.
Yeah.
But he did, though. And
They're
you
not
see,
allowed to.
his light's still going.
Yeah.
They're supposed to be marked, but they'll be with it totally visible. But it's not.
Yeah.
Because they're undercover. They're not supposed to be pulling. You blow your cover.
Yeah, so they're supposed to.
That's
Yeah,
right.
yeah, it's supposed to. It's
right.
supposed to. You're right.
That's right.
There's another
You can
undercover.
fight it in court.
There's another
Because they're
You got a light on you by chance?
Yes, I do.
I appreciate. Hey, my name's Josh, dude.
My name's Alan.
Hey, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I'm sorry that happened to you tonight, but we saw this and we stopped. We were like, dude, we gotta
I'm
stop.
very thankful y'all just so happened.
We're running. Yeah, we were
very
filming the
thankful
whole
for
time.
that. Because they were trying to take me to get an open container, which is a citation.
Yeah.
But they're saying it's an arrestable offense, so which they can say anything they want.
Yeah.
Okay?
Of course, yeah. And they will, because they think they can get away with it. They think not everybody knows their rights. Yeah.
That's where to give them the key, but I don't have to give them the key.
No, you ain't got them. You ain't got them. That's why we're standing here. Yeah.
I really, I appreciate it so
Yeah.
much. Y'all got a number and I'll be able to get
we're on YouTube, but actually, yeah, I can give you a number.
Yeah, my tablet got ran over.
But
Did it?
Yeah, I'll give you my phone.
Okay.
But yeah, we're on YouTube
Because they
also.
do illegal shit
All the time.
no,
And that,
But they're gonna press you for doing illegal shit.
Yeah.
But they can do the same illegal shit and get by with it.
well, yeah, and if you ever want to try to make these guys pay for that shit, because what they did is just steal your vehicle.
That's what they're doing.
Yeah,
Even though I had somebody coming to get it.
Somebody can come get it. Their
They
discretion.
still get it. That's why I reported it myself.
It's road piracy. It's not their
That's
discretion.
exactly, yeah, it really is. It really is. Because I had somebody come and get it.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's at their everything's at their discretion what they
Yeah.
want to do.
That's just because they're the ones with the gun. We got the camera.
Appreciate it, Greene. You have a blessed night, brother. You have a blessed night. May God bless you.
That's so respect.
Yeah. Around Thanksgiving, Christmas time too.
Yeah, that's right.
It's alright, we'll be out here more and more.
It's corrupt, brother.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
really corrupt.
Yeah.
But you can actually you can request a radio transmission, so what they were saying that they're
We're going to. We'll do it for you. We're gonna do it for. We're gonna do it for you.
I give you a call tonight. I give you a
We're
call
gonna do that for you.
tonight.
Yeah.
Because, man,
It sucks your wife from the jail.
they just took my last car. Now they're taking. I had insurance.
Oh, that's not the target.
I hadn't. It is. It is.
Yeah.
It sure
That
is.
sounds like-
They know who to pick on and
Yeah,
who not.
they know the guy.
They're friends with people that's got it out for me, so they targeted me like a motherfucker.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, Booney Motor Company, everybody.
We're just getting started they're trying to get a place and everything, and
Yeah.
they doing every fucking thing they can.
Well, at least you got some
Yeah, my wife's plate's right there. She didn't even get the.
Don't feel so bad. She'll be out.
Have a good night.
Bitch. She'll be out.
They go. Hey,
God bless.
hey, you be safe, man.
I really appreciate
Yes, sir.
you.
Yes, sir. Yeah, get some water in that jug.
See what happens.
That was Sergeant Greene of the Barnwell Police Department. Sorry, guys, Barnwell Police Department.
See when they pull people over.
That's right. Alright, well, we gotta work on our vehicle because the radiator hose seems to have an issue. So, gotta take a look at that. That's what I'm gonna be doing here for the next few minutes. But had a poor guy get his car stole from the Barnwell Police Department and Booney Motors in Barnwell, South Carolina tonight. That was sad to see. They took his wife to jail and everything for a seatbelt ticket. Like, this is ridiculous now. Yeah, we're going to sign off for now. If there's something else pops up, we'll film it. Shout outs again to Georgia Transparency, J-Town Press, North Carolina Tire Hunter. Here's the deal, all you guys, we love y'all. Take it easy.